Welcome back to the Natural Law Parenting channel. I'm Dr. Dustin Plattner. We talked about what is natural law. We talked about points 1 and 2, and now we'll think more about it. We'll think to kind of begin to explain more what that actually means, and further understanding observing nature and how that applies to parenting. Well, one of the bigger things, so I'd say this is three to help you understand the process. One of the bigger things in nature, right, is this understanding that there's a force that nurtures, and then there's a force that pushes in to create. So we have these sort of these forces in nature. So we could say like the sunshine, and we could say like the rain are forces that help plants grow. It's like it puts in to make things happen. And then we can also see that this force also, like if water keeps running and running, it cuts through and cuts through, and that keeps creating something new. Um, if it's too much, though, if there's too much, say, rain, or there's too much sun, it starts destroying. It doesn't actually begin to nurture, it starts destroying. So there has to be a balance of these principles for nature to grow. And we could observe this in parenting, right? If there is too much authoritarian pressure on it, well, then our children begin to rebel and they don't feel respected. So that's one thing. It doesn't have any opportunity for their own mind to be expressed. And then if it's so nurturing and over and over and over, where there is no boundary of what you can and cannot do, what your child can and cannot do, if it's more, the term is laissez-faire, well then that's too loose and there's no boundary. The child doesn't get to a sense, your child doesn't get to sense where they begin and you end. They don't have that boundary system. Thanks for joining. Again, this is Natural Law Parenting. I'm Dr. Dustin Plattner. Until next time.